fetus. So it is the sand or the dust of the grave which then summons a person eventually, and it is as though the seed which leads a person or attracts a person to be buried where he is eventually buried. So when the Prophet ﷺ was buried in the Rawda of Riyadul Jannah, and then when eventually Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu was buried there as well, and then Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was buried there as well. So it shows that Allah so intended initially, right in His divine knowledge from the beginning, that Abu Bakr and Umar and the Prophet ﷺ should have such similarity and should have such common personalities, and there is so much that they should share with one another. So Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, in the divine knowledge of Allah, was right from the beginning destined to be so close to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He lived with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then was buried next to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and shall remain with him till the day of Qiyamah. And when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam will rise, so will Abu Bakr and Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma rise with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and be with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in paradise. And we ask Allah with His fazl and mercy to make us amongst those people as well, who with His fazl and mercy are also raised amongst them. And we ask Allah to spend His infinite mercy upon His beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the beloved companions of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.